Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video, beautiful channels, beautiful day, all that stuff. Good evening to y'all. I just made a video and I made a part of it, like a big part, and then I deleted it because I don't want it. I had a bunch of errors. I made another video after that which is a lot shorter, and I just tell you everything I did. I don't code in that video, but I tell you everything I did. And what I did, I can tell you right now, is I made a pickup class. And pickups are basically health pickups and missile pickups where you can just, not upgrades, but you know, fill up your meters or fill up your health and stuff like that. And just made the classes just like regular classes. I mean, what can you do? Nothing special. As you can see the class here, I show you the code in the other video as well, but this is the code and it's going to be updated to Git, so no big deal. I update the pickups at the end of game, like at the end of this game update function. I just update it here, and then I go through every player, check for player collisions, get the type of pickup, and then give the player HP if it's a certain type and stuff. In game, I show you all this again, but I still show you. I'm showing it to you because it's quick. Textures, the regular stuff. Load in the textures up here. In it textures, just like usual. Here we go. All of the pickup textures. Load them in. Send them into the pickup class, which has its own array for textures, and then depending on the type in pickup, I will set that texture. So right here, and it's gonna, there's an error check. So yeah, all that stuff you're gonna see it in the video coming up. But if I missed something in there, I'm pretty sure I showed it to you here. And then yeah, good luck with all that stuff. The video is coming up right now. All right, guys and girls, I found the problem, and I'm gonna explain everything that happened. So first, we're just gonna check if this works. Let's see. I'm just gonna see if we get the pickups ready. It should still work. Alright, so we got a pickup, and it's gonna drop a bunch because I set it to a pretty high drop chance. It's giving me HP, so that's good. These are just gonna be pickups for missiles and HP and stuff like that, and you can be able to pick them up like that. So let me explain everything that happened. I had a bunch of problems in the previous video, but so I did this. Well, let me put this back to 7. So let me start off here. When you add a pickup, I have a thing in game. If we go in here, I have a D array for pickup textures, and I have a D array for pickups. Alright, so this is the actual pickups. These are the textures for the different pickups, and this is gonna check. Alright, then I'm gonna add a pickup in here with a certain type, a duration to live, a position, and the whole texture array. So what I had before was just a texture, like one texture, but then I figured, you know, why not let the pickup constructor handle the type thing and the texture thing. So this was a problem as well I had. I didn't do this, so it had no, this textures had no pointer, but now it's fixed. I added this, the type, and after the type it'll check, alright, if there is a texture at that for that type. If not, we're gonna write out error message. Otherwise, we're gonna set the texture. So set the origin to middle, position, color, made it a little more transparent. Fix the timer stuff, and the update, everything is as usual. Just gonna advance the timer, rotate the sprite, see if a player collides with it, and draw it. So what I have now is a D array for textures in here, which is much better. I have a get type function as well, in case we need that. And then yeah, that's pretty much pickup. Let's see, game. What I do in game is, there was another problem I had which made the thing not work. It was this, instead of pickup textures I had enemy textures here, so that screwed it up since I didn't have any textures in here. But now it's fine, it's loading all of these textures. And let's see, so let me just turn that down. In update, I had it in here before, right under upgrades here, or update upgrades, but I removed that and I made it a little more, you know, overhead heavy. It takes a little more now because it's going to go through all the pickups for every player again, but I thought I'd do that because it was a little cleaner, and plus that I don't want to run update twice. Oh, sorry, otherwise it would have done that for every player. So yeah, I go through all the pickups. There won't be a lot on screen, it's fine, and then max 4 players, so it's not that big of a deal. And then we're going to check the collision for that player, and then check the type, go ahead. If it's type 0, the HP is going to gain HP. We're going to get, it's always going to give you a fifth back of your HP. So that's good. And then we'll remove that pickup and breakout. And this is the end of the for loop for pickup. And there we go. And what else did I add? Of course, we draw them out. I draw them out at the last here, the last part. Alright, so I forgot one thing. I forgot to add this can delete. It's a inline const bool, and it returns if the alive timer is greater or equal to the alive timer max. And all we're going to do is we're going to go into game, and I'm going to go down to where I update them. Update pickups, and remove this if it collides with that thingy. If it doesn't collide, and then let's see. If this pickups at position I can delete dot can delete pickups remove, and then we delete it. So we're just gonna check this out, see if it works. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. No big deal. Generating code straight up. Let's see. All right, so that was pretty fast. So we're gonna have to increase that to, like, what can we increase that to? It's gonna go where we created. Now let's say maybe 100. Let's try that. Can't need more than 100. Yeah, 100 was good. 100 was good. So yeah, that's about it. That's about everything for pickups. They're working the way, you know, they give you HP and stuff, and there's no big deal. So it's nothing special, and that's it pretty much. That's what I added. And yeah, thank you guys and girls for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye bye.